drone crashes are preventable, but beginners make the same mistakes. Today I will show you the 10 biggest mistakes. Watch until the end because the last mistake is the one many pilots don't realize they are making. Let's go to the video. In this video I am going to keep everything very simple. First one is no pre-flight check. Okay, pre-flight you have to check these things. These are the top 5 things you have to check. Okay, you have to think other than this also. The first one is battery logged. You have to check whether the battery is properly inserted to the drone, whether it's loose. You can see it by pulling the battery away from the drone, and you can see that. And check whether the propellers are installed correctly properly. Okay, check for loose propellers like that. Check the controller battery percentage before you fly. If when you fly far away or take a shot, suddenly controller signal or battery, if the controller shut down, you can't take the drone back. If you charge the drone RC control 0 to some percentage, it will take a time. Until that your drone battery will stay however perform RTH if you have adjusted in the setting. So it is also risky. Make sure to charge your RC controller also, and make sure to insert a SD card also. Okay, and I mean also do firmware updates. Okay, and the second thing is no GPS lock. Okay, you have to wait for satellites and until the satellite icon is white, and check whether before you take off that home point updated, that voiceover will come when you start flying. And check for GPS signal and wait until the white color indicator, and check for warning messages, and take other precautions related to that communications. And 3 is strong wind. Don't fly directly to the headwind, and if you fly to headwind, when you take return flight, I mean it will become harder. Okay, and strong wind will drain battery. Okay, and wind resistant, so the battery will drain quickly. Don't fly in these situations. Okay, in headwind, return flight, drain or wind resistant. Okay, fourth one is low battery. Return your drone after 20% to 30%. Okay, and like if the drone triggers automatic RTH, don't cancel that. Allow it to perform RTH, and you have to adjust the control stick according to the safe manner without pressing drone. And don't push the last few percent. Okay, don't try to take some shots and by thinking we have some battery percentage. If the drone tells you to do RTH, do that. Okay, don't skip that. Okay, the fifth mistake is flying too far. Okay, fly in the visual line of sight under 30 meter like that, and check for signal strength also. Okay, and keep a battery reserve for your returned home, and like that. And you have to check for return distance and time calculate like that. Okay, and sixth, trees and power lines. Check for thin branches, wires, antennas, and hidden obstacles. Okay, even the novel Mini or Mavic series or Air series won't detect those small obstacles. In those millimeter wave radar drones have no, like agriculture drones, enterprise. Those drones can detect those small obstacles. Okay, don't forget to fly those drones. Okay, now these drones don't detect these type of antennas, wires, thin branches or hidden obstacles. Don't fly in these situations. Okay, one is trusting obstacle avoidance sensors. Okay, and don't trust your obstacle avoidance sensors in glass. The obstacle avoidance sensor won't detect your glass or thin wires or small branches. Low light limitations. Okay, in low light the obstacle avoidance sensors may not be work. Okay, you can see it by top right up corner. You can see the obstacle avoidance indicator become right in according to that direction. I mean, if the indicator is pointing up like this, and that means the obstacle avoidance front is not available, or before you fly it will indicate a message that the obstacle avoidance in that place is not available. If sufficient light is not available. Okay, mistake number 8 is flying in low light. Okay, don't fly in like sunset like that. Okay, now obstacle avoidance, you can take sunset photos, but don't trust those obstacle avoidance in sunset like that. Now if the sun go down, I mean the sun, when the sun dawns, the sun becomes make so much shadows. Even we can see so much shadows when the sun down. And night, okay, they very risky night flights, and vision sensors are, we can't see those dark. How even we can't see when we are go up like that. We can see in the daytime, okay, we can't see. And you have a very big ATD, right? Mean I have already uploaded that video. Comment, I will I mean show that video. I mean you can see this that mode video high up there. This is a card. Click that to watch that mode. And okay, let's go to the ninth mistake. Okay, ninth mistake is sport mode. High speed flying like a hero, like FPV pro, like that. And longer now, sport mode have a longer braking distance. Now it will take a big distance to brake its drone. Okay, and it have less reaction time. Okay, I mean you, not the drone. Okay, if you fly fast, you can't calculate those things. You are not the pilot. Okay, you are not on the drone. You're flying it in a third person view. Okay, I mean like that. Now FPV a first person view. Okay, like that. It's a beginner caution thing. Is panic. Okay, you have to stay calm when things didn't go in as expected, like that. Okay, stay calm. Okay, don't be like hurry, or don't be fear like that. Okay, and don't fly by watching only the screen. Also watch the drone by your visual eyes, like that. And use RDH if appropriate. Okay, if panic kicks in like that, if you think like, oh no, like that, oh I don't know to return home, like that, use RDH. Okay, that is why RDH is available in every drones. Okay, and biggest mistakes are like my biggest mistakes I will tell for you is flying in sport mode, and trusting obstacle avoidance, and flying too far. Okay, like that. And no GPS look, like that. Okay, and panic. Okay, and which mistake have you made before? Can you drop your thoughts in the comments, and what topic you need next? Okay, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you enjoyed the video. And I will see you in these videos. Watch, this is the latest video of my channel, and this is the best video suitable for you. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking this, and click the subscribe button. I will see you there.